Hello everybody, these are the video notes for lesson 5.3, and this is going to be about standard form equations. We've talked a lot about slope-intercept form equations, which is y is equal to mx plus b. A standard form equation is in the form ax plus by is equal to c, where a, b, and c are usually whole numbers. When you have a standard form equation, there are two common methods that you can use to graph it. The first method that you can use is to rearrange the equation. And you can rearrange it into slope-intercept form. Let's do one example together. So if you have the standard form equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 12, and you want to graph this. So you can rearrange it into slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. We want to get this y here all by itself. So right now, y is being multiplied with 3, and then added with 2x. So to get y all by itself, we're going to undo the last thing that's happening to y, which is being added with 2x. So I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides of the equation. This is the balance method. So then on the left side, the 2x's cancel out, so I'm just left with 3y equals. And then on the right here, I have 12 minus 2x. We have a variable, and these are not like terms, so I cannot combine them. So I'm just going to leave this as negative 2x plus 12. I still want to get y all by itself, but right now y is being multiplied with 3. So I want to undo that multiplying by 3. So I'll divide by 3. And if I divide the left side by 3, I have to divide everything on the right side by 3 as well. 3 times y divided by 3, those 3's are going to cancel out, so I'm just left with y on the left side equals negative 2x divided by 3. I can leave that as negative 2 over 3 times x. 12 divided by 3, that's 4, so I have plus 4 here. Now I have rearranged this original standard form equation into slope-intercept form, and I can see that the slope is negative 2/3 and the y-intercept is 4, and I'm going to use that information to graph it. I'll do that here on the right. Y-intercept of 4, so I go up the y-axis to 4, that's right here. Slope of negative 2/3, so I'm going to go down 2 units and to the right 3 units. Down 2, 1, 2, 3, and that's where my next point would go. Connect those 2 points with a straight edge, and there's my line. When you have a standard form equation, another way that you can graph it, and a lot of times this is actually the faster way, is you can find the x and y intercepts. Let's do that. We're going to use the same standard form equation that we had before. 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. And we're going to find the x-intercept and the y-intercept. Okay, remember that the x-intercept is the point when y is 0. So to find the x-intercept, all I have to do is substitute in 0 in for y, and then solve for x. So I'll take this equation, 2x plus 3y, but substitute in 0 in for y, just like that. 3 times 0 is just 0, so that's going to go away. So I'm just left with 2x is equal to 12. I want to get x all by itself, so I'm going to divide both sides by 2. So x is equal to 6. My x-intercept is 6, 0. For the y-intercept is when x is 0. So I'm going to write the equation, but instead of x, I'm going to substitute in 0. So 2 times 0 plus 3y is equal to 12. 2 times 0 is just 0, so that's going to go away. So I'm just going to be left with 3y is equal to 12. Divide both sides by 3. Y is equal to 4. My y-intercept is 0, 4. Now I have my x and my y-intercepts. I can graph these 2 points. X-intercept was 6, 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0. That's right there. Y-intercept was 0, 4. It's right there. Connect those 2 points with a straight edge. And there's my graph.